In the world of machining and metalworking, precision is everything. And when it comes to milling operations, the end mill is a key player. Whether you're in manufacturing, metalworking, or any industrial space, it's crucial to understand what an end mill is and why it's so important. So what exactly is an end mill? An end mill is a versatile cutting tool used in milling and CNC machines. It can cut in multiple directions, making it perfect for creating precise shapes, slots, and contours in materials like metal, wood, plastic, and more. A common question: how does an end mill differ from a drill bit? Drill bits are used for vertical drilling, while end mills can cut in almost any direction, making them ideal for tasks like slotting and contouring. That versatility makes them the go-to tool for industries like aerospace, automotive, and tool and die manufacturing. There are several types of end mills, each designed for specific tasks. Square end mills. These are the most common and versatile, with cutting edges on both the tip and the sides. They are used for general-purpose milling. Ball end mills have a rounded tip. These are used for 3D contouring and machining complex surfaces. They're perfect for molds and dies where smooth curves are required. Corner radius end mills have a slight radius on the edges, offering more strength than a square end mill. They're ideal for removing material without leaving sharp corners, reducing stress on the part. End mills are also made from different materials. High-speed steel is known for its toughness and resistance to wear. High-speed steel is ideal for cutting softer materials like aluminum or wood at a great price. Cobalt steel is an upgrade from high-speed steel. Cobalt end mills are more heat-resistant, making them better suited for cutting harder materials like stainless steel. Carbide end mills are harder and more heat-resistant than high-speed steel and cobalt tools. They can operate at higher speeds and are often used for cutting tough materials such as titanium, hardened steel, and other exotic metals. A higher strength comes with at a higher premium. When choosing the right end mill, consider the material you're cutting, the type of operation, and the geometry of the tool. End mills are essential tools that bring precision, versatility, and efficiency to machining. Whether you're roughing out a block of material or putting the final touches on a complex part, choosing the right end mill is key to getting the job done right. If you found this information helpful and are in need of end mills, check out our selection today. DixieTool.com has high-quality end mills for any of your needs. If you need help selecting the exact tool, feel free to call us at 956-544-4333 or email us at sales_Brownsville@DixieToolCompany.com. And as always, thanks for watching.